Good evening, and I welcome you, students. Before we begin our session, let us do some relaxation and exercises to lift up our energy and release the stress, negative thoughts, stiffness from the body. Sit comfortably, sit comfortably on the chair, and we are beginning with shoulder rotation. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just release your hands, release your hands. Release, 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 release. Shake your hands, 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 shake your hands. Tap your feet, tap your feet, tap your feet, tap, 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 tap your feet, tap your feet, tap your feet. See the vibrations throughout the legs going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we will do Bhastrika. Inhale up, exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, come back. Rotate, rotate your fingers, rotate your fingers, rotate your fingers. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, all right. Now you will inhale, open your chest, and exhale, close it. Inhale, close, so exhale. Come back. Neck, right, left. Inhale, exhale. Right, left, right, left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Up, down. Inhale, exhale. Neck rotation 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. 1. Slow, be gentle and kind. Slow with your neck. Inhale half, exhale half. 1, 3. Reverse. Slowly. Okay, come back, come back. We'll do some deep breathings. Deep breathings are very important because they help us focus. They improve our focus and we can study better, we can read better, and we can think better with more clarity when we do deep breathing exercises. What will we do? We will breathe in deeply and then exhale with Om sound. So sit comfortably, relax your body, relax your shoulders, close your eyes, your palms are on your laps, comfortably placed, and we will inhale as deeply as possible and exhale with O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Inhale. Oh. When you inhale, your chest and belly expands. When you exhale, your chest and belly compresses as much as possible. Inhale as deeply as possible. Last. Inhale as deeply as possible. Come to the normal breathing. Observe your breath. Observe your breath. Focus your attention on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Become aware of your surroundings, any sounds of fan or any reaching your ears. Fold your two hands, and an attitude of gratitude is very important. A prayer to the God, universe, and the environment we live. We thank you, God. We thank you, universe. We thank you, environment, for the gift of beautiful life. We live because of you, and we are trying our best to do best of the best things in our life. Rub your two hands. As the hands become hot, heating energy, magnetic field, magnetic energy, just put it on the eye. Hold it for a few seconds, keep breathing. Let the field produced heal your body. The field will reach each and every cell of the body. Trillions of cells are being healed, relaxed. Stress and negative energy is leaving your body. And slowly and slowly, you can open your eyes with smiles on your face and 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come back. All right, we are back. How do you feel?
Good, sir.
Okay, relaxed, energy levels high. Energy levels are very important. If we have higher energy, we will attract higher things. All the Olympic players, they have to be in the high energy mode when they do their performances. As soon as the energy level drops, then they are out. So the energy levels are very important. Breathing techniques are helping. Exercise warm-up is done in order to boost it. All performances, you have seen how well they do it, how much strong is the competition, and how much is the hard work and practice which is involved. Techniques, so many things are there. Consistency, motivation, energy, practice, dedication, willpower. Willpower is very important. They are very strong willpower. They want to win, they want to win, they want to win. That is the willpower with which they go and compete. So we must have a strong willpower in order to survive the exams. Okay, get ready for the question answer sessions, notebooks, pen, etc. Ready? All right, we are. All right. Energy high activated. Okay. Here are some of the questions from organic chemistry. There will be some revision of the topics which we have done, as well as questions answers will be there. So the whole game is to keep revising, keep studying again and again, more and more in more and more depth, and solve as many questions as possible. Easy question, normal question, difficult question, in-depth question. All the basic fundamentals have to be clear before we solve any question. All right, the first question is clear. But can you tell me from which topic this organic chemistry has been taken?
So this is haloalkanes and haloarenes.
Organic chemistry is coming. Organic chemistry questions. All right. So first question is there. You have to write the products A, B, C, D. You have 1 minute for each question. After you complete it, you can give the answer. Don't try to do any shortcut, students. You have to learn. See, you have to learn the basics mechanisms of the reaction, and important name reactions are very important, must be studied thoroughly. and organic chemistry, you should practice on a notebook. It will help us. Okay, student, you can start the answers. What is the first answer?
Sir, first answer will be Grignard reagent. A will be Grignard reagent.
What is the formula coming out?
MgBr this and then MgBr.
This is A. Then what is B?
Cyclohexane.
Okay. Question number 2.
C will be it will be RMgBr.
RMgBr is C. Then it reacts with D2O. D2O. What will be the product, students?
CH3, CH, CH3.
What is the product here?
CH3, CH, D and CH3.
CH3, CH.
And then D should be attached to it.
Is already attached D. If it is already attached D here, CH3, CHD is already there. Then what is C? What is R group then?
C will be CH3, CH, CH3.
CH3, CH, CH3. That is the C.
Yes, sir.
That is the C, R group.
Then here
MgBr. What is the third?
sir, E will be this R compound and then MgX.
CH3C,
C,
CH3, CH3,
MgX.
MgX is E.
Yes, sir.
Then what is F?
Then it will become this MgX group will go and hydrogen will attach.
What is the IUPAC name?
2-methyl propane.
1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane. This is your F.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Compound A with molecular formula C4H9Br is treated with aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. The rate of the reaction depends on concentration of the compound A only. When another optical active isomer B of this compound was treated with aqueous KOH, the rate of reaction was found to be dependent on concentration of the compound with KOH. Write the structural formula of both A and B. Out of these two compounds, which one will be converted to the product with inverted configuration? How we will go through such question? You have C4H9Br. A is reacted with aqueous KOH. When I react with aqueous KOH, what happens? Student, what type of reaction is this? Br will be
Replaced
substituted
by OH.
OH group. Example of substitution. And there are two substitution you have studied, SN1
One
and
and
SN2.
SN2.
Now here he says the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of A only. That means it is which one?
SN1. SN1.
SN1. This is SN1. So SN1 is shown by what type of compounds? What type of alkyl halide it should be?
It should be tertiary.
3 degree. So when if it is a 3 degree, that means what? This is a Br1.
CH3.
3 carbon should be there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that means I have to write then. Is it now C4H9Br?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, that means this compound will be CH3, CH3, CH3Br. This is a 3 degree SN1. Then what is the product?
Br will be replaced by OH group.
Okay. The rate of this reaction depends on C4H9Br. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Only. When another optical active isomer of B, another optical isomer B of the compound was treated with KOH. ठीक है? Optical isomer B is treated with aqueous KOH. Rate of reaction was found to be dependent on concentration of compound with KOH. Now you have to write another optical active compound of this. What will be the formula for that?
Sir, it can be 2-bromobutane.
What is the condition for optical isomer? It should be
Asymmetric.
what we call this as a chiral
Chiral.
molecule. So how will I write a chiral molecule then? Student, 4 different groups have
4
to be
different
attached.
groups.
If I have a Br,
One will be hydrogen,
if it is hydrogen, then what is left?
CH3, and then
And C2H5.
CH5. Yes, sir.
हो गया C13
2-bromobutane.
हो गया.
Yes,
So if
sir.
this is the compound, this is optically active, and this reacts with OH minus aqueous. What will be the product?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
CH3, CH2, alcohol. So you have got A and B then. This is our A. This is our A and this is our B. Am I right? Or something is there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Actually, whatever information is given, we must make a flow chart of that in such questions, and then only we can find out the answer. They will give 4 choices supposing, then we have to find which is the correct choice, which is coming out. Same question can be put in reason assertion form. The questions are how they put up the question is very easy, because they can convert these questions into any form. Here our attempt is to make a revision of the courses, because the key points should be known to us. What is SN1, what is SN2, and they are giving information about that. On that basis we are coming to some results. Okay. Question number 3. Hydrocarbon CFH10 does not react with chlorine but gives single monochloro compound. On bright light, identify the hydrocarbon. First you make a flow chart and try to write down what information is given, and then only you answer the question. You can sip water. Don't drink, sip water. Water has good healing energy. So I can say water heal me. I'm tired. I'm only sipping, not drinking. 75% of the body is water. Water heals. We can pray to the water also. It will become positive water and I will drink. This is science of life. What is the?
Sir, it is the cyclopentane.
Let us see. He says C5H10 student. There are two possibilities.
Yes, sir.
It
Either it can be an alkane,
CnH2n means it could be alkene,
alkene, or cycloalkane.
or it could be cycloalkane.
Alkane.
Cycloalkane students. Now what is he saying? Hydrocarbon does not react with chlorine. Cl2, no reaction. But sunlight, what happens? Bright UV, it gives C5H9Cl. This is a monochlorination. ठीक है?
Yes,
Gives
sir.
a single, this important information, only single is given in the world. That is the way I have to use, student, single. Usually what will happen, if it is any alkene or hydrocarbon, then it can give mixtures of chloro compounds, but gives a single, only one. Then what should be there? If I have this compound, you can put Cl anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Therefore this must be, what is the name of the compound then?
Cyclopentane.
Should be cyclopentane. It can form only single. Only single. We have to read each and every word. If I miss one word, then the story changes. If it doesn't give single, then how will I solve the question? No. Then I can't write this. Only single monochloro. So the word single was very important here. One word will make the total difference, student. That's what I want to show you. So if we don't put attention, we don't have focus, then we are lost. That is the reason we are doing some breathing exercises. We need to focus. Our focus should be very strong. Focus. Just focus gone and we miss a point, students. The game of Olympics is like that. One fraction only, one fraction of one hundredth of a second, the game changes. Focus. Whole game is focus. But just with one point, our golf player, what is the name of the golf player? She came fourth position. The last round, she missed one shot, just one small error. She would have got third position. What is the name of that? You know, the golf, which you got the fourth position in the Olympics. So they are missing by just one fraction. Focus is required. Focus is required. That's why I'm stressing that for the students going for exam. Focus should be very strong, or we will lose the track. All right. Next question is coming, student. Write the structures of A, B, and C. So you first work out on your sheet of paper all these reactions, then give the answer. Write slowly, correctly, neatly, and write the complete set of reactions. What is the first part, students?
Sir, in first part, structure A will be aniline.
You are starting from nitrobenzene. What is the name of this reaction, students? What do you call this reaction?
Sir, it is reduction of nitro compound.
Reduction reaction. You know, reduction is very important when we used in hydrochloric acid, and there is another method also which can be used for the reduction of NO2 group to NH2 group. General thing to learn: how do we reduce NO2 to NH2? What methods can be used?
Sir, it could be SN and HCl. Then it can be
What other reagents you can use?
it can be scrap iron and HCl.
Different methods should be known to us students. Very important. What will you get?
Phenol.
So if you want to convert benzene into phenol, then we can use this method. If I have a benzene, student, this can be converted into this. How will you convert? concentrated
HO4.
and this is a sequence of the reactions which can be done. Convert one into other into this. So this process will continue. We can go from A to C. What is happening in the second step, students?
Will be CH3CN. A will be CH3CN.
CH3Cl KCN CH3CN. Then what it will do? Lithium aluminum hydride.
It will reduce it to amine, primary amine. CH3.
Then
HNO2 will give disonium salt, which will be unstable and hence it will convert into alcohol.
you here only have to write C. They have not asked anything else.
CH3, CH2OH.
A, B, C, A, B, C, students. Whatever information is asked, that should be the answer. You can work out yourself all these reactions. Organic chemistry has to be learned by writing and working. Okay, this is the reason we are doing some revision of the reactions. Again, you have cutting 1 minute for each of the reaction. Write the final products. All right, student.
Yes, sir.
First, what is the product in the first case, student?
It will be 1-iodopropane.
CH3, CH2, CH2I. What is the name of the reaction, student?
This is Finkelstein reaction.
You have seen many times this has been asked. Therefore, it is important. What are the conditions of this reaction? This has to be read in completely, student. As I said, repeatedly, name reactions are important. We have uploaded in YouTube 5 to 7 minutes one reaction. You can see them and study them. Very important. Name reaction. What are the conditions? Why do you use acetone? In this reaction, the question was given in some of the paper. What happens if I don't use acetone? What will happen?
Sir, the acetone will, the NaCl or the NaBr will be precipitated in dry acetone.
Then what happens if it is precipitated?
So the reaction will move forward.
Because this will be removed. What is the principle applied?
Le Chatelet principle.
This is a very important question. Assertion, reason questions are framed like this. Assertion, reason are made like this from a reaction. They will put up two statements to you, assertion and reason. Then they will ask you what is the correct choice. Next question. What is the product, students?
Sir, it will form 2-methylpropene.
What happens in this case? What is that? CH3, CH3, CH3Br. You know what is the mechanism of this reaction?
Sir, dehydrohalogenation.
What is the mechanism of the reaction? What intermediate is involved? They will ask you the intermediate through which the reaction proceeds. What is the answer? The reactions, why we are given this reaction? There is something more than what we are saying here. Questions are changed in the paper, students. Same reaction, they will ask a different question. What is the intermediate? What is formed before the final product is produced? What is this?
It will be tertiary carbocation.
Because it's very stable. The OH cannot attack directly in this case because they are bulky groups. So this will leave, then only it can take place. That is the purpose of ethanol, what it will do here. After this is gone, then ethanol will do what? It will abstract one hydrogen, which is from this side, anywhere. And the result of this is what you get. CH3, C double bond CH2 and CH3. See, if I know the mechanism, then I understand how the reaction takes place and I won't do a mistake in the exam. The question is not going to be this, what is given. The question will be more likely on this, what we have shown now. The same question can be put in reason and assertion. They can put this in multiple choice form. The intermediate which is involved in this reaction are. This is how the questions are framed. This is just a species to show you that what questions can be given on reaction is from the book which we have taken. And but that reaction, what level of question? Different board exams, different competition, different level of question. Question depth will change. So for NEET, this is not the question for NEET. This is the question for NEET where he will ask you some more information. This is how we have to stretch and go deeper and understand more about every question. Student, next question. What is the answer of this? C part.
Sir, it will be CH3, CH, OH and CH2, CH3.
What type of substitution is this? S1 or SN2?
This will be
What type of, these are all
it
examples
will
of
be SN1.
nucleophilic substitution reactions. You can see what is the mechanism and what is the order of reactivity. Order of reactivity for different, and in some cases, what happens. Next, you have CH3, CH2, Br, KCN.
It will give CH3, CH2, CN.
This is not that difficult a reaction, nitrile, but its further use is important. What products can be obtained from this? This can be hydrolyzed to give what product? If I hydrolyze this, what is formed?
Amine is formed, primary amine.
Hydrolysis, amine is not formed first. Something else is formed. How it will be amine?
C amide, CONH2.
What they will ask you, amide? They will say CH3, CH2, CONH2. Then they will give you Br2 and KOH. Then what is the product? See the reactions, how they are made in the paper.
CH3, CH2, NH2.
What is the name of that reaction?
Hofmann bromide degradation.
That is the most important reaction, will be repeatedly asked in different papers. Why did I write name reactions? Because they will be used somewhere. All right. Next question, students.
It will be C6H5. It will be C6H5O C2H5.
This
Ether.
is a very, very important reaction. Can you tell me the name of this reaction?
Williamson synthesis.
That again, I'm saying, what did I write? Name reaction. That's very important. Some question will be there. Williamson synthesis is very important. You know, what is the importance of this reaction? What type of alkyl halide should be used, students? Conditions
Primary.
Every organic reaction has conditions. And we must learn the conditions under which a process will take place. That is an important point. Reaction is not taking place just you mix something and something will be formed. No. Have you ever seen it? Every time they are saying temperature, pressure, catalyst, so many conditions are there. Temperature changes, product changes. Pressure, some high pressure, some low pressure, catalyst, and all that. You have seen it. So conditions and condition, why condition change, the product change? Can you tell me? What happens? The whole work is being done on this. The most important part of organic chemistry is to search the conditions by which products can be prepared at a lower cost. And that is where the catalysts are important. Two types of catalysts are being used, homogeneous and heterogeneous. All that work is aware of you students. So we should learn. What is the next reaction?
This is CH2. It will be CH3, CH2, CH2Cl.
Can you tell me, are there any other ways of preparing this? Alcohol to alkyl halide is an important reaction.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol
SOCl2 is
to
one.
Alkyl halide. You know, 10 reactions have been given in the book.
Yes, sir. PCl3, PCl5, many other.
Which is the best method?
SOCl2 and
why this is the best method?
so because as a byproduct it will produce SO2 gas and HCl. So they are escapable and hence the reaction will give pure product.
And we don't even waste these gases. We withdraw them by pipes, student, and use them. Where SO2 is used? You know where SO2 gas is used? All right, water, heal me.
It is used in the industrial preparation of many other chemicals.
Like I wanted the name of the chemical, that I know that everything is used. Where?
It is used in the manufacture of H2SO4.
That was the reason H2SO4 is the most important chemical which is required in the every country prepares a lot of H2SO4. Okay. Next question, student. CH3, CH2, HBr. What is the product?
Presence of peroxide. It will give 1 bromobutane.
What type of reaction is this?
Anti-Markovnikov.
You know what is the mechanism of this reaction?
This is free radical mechanism.
Just go and check this out. It's important. Mechanisms are important. Marconico, everywhere it is coming. So many times is a Marconico rule. Anti-Marconico is used less, but Marconico rule has been used a lot in most of the organic reaction. We use it a lot. So that means it is important. The name Marconico is so famous that somewhere it will be asked in the paper. So we should read more about this in more detail. What addition I'm saying? Marconico addition.
Marconico and anti-Marconico.
And anti-Marconico, try to see the mechanism of the two, because questions will not be so direct. There will be something more than that. We are aware that the depth will increase. What is the product in the next case, student?
Sir, it will be 2-bromo 2-methylbutane.
What type of addition is this?
This is Marconico.
Marconico addition. What it gives? CH3CH double bond CCH3CH3. Hydrogen will add to which carbon? Hydrogen will add where? And we are
Br will be a hydrogen will be where there are more hydrogen.
This is the addition. This is called Marconico addition. If I add peroxide, then the reaction will be reversed. What mechanism it follows?
Free radical.
This is not a free radical mechanism. Check it out. This will not be free radical. And did I say that? What is being formed? Products. There are mechanism changes, product changes. Student, this is what we want to tell you. Everything is not like that. The reason we want to study more is like this, students. Okay, next question. Identify the reagents. Sometimes questions are asked on reagents. Reaction is given. You have 1 to 2 minutes to try this question, then we will go further. Now, when I talk of reagent, again, I am saying this is important point. What type of reagents we use in chemistry lab for the reactions? Different reagents are being used for different purposes. What type of reaction you studied? Oxidation, reduction. Then what do you study? Substitution.
Substitution.
What else you studied? You have any idea? How many types of reaction you have?
Dehydration.
Elimination.
Elimination.
They come in elimination, dehydrohalogenation or dehydration, something what molecules are leaving the compounds.
Addition reactions.
Addition reaction. What else you seen? So we have to learn all this. Addition reaction, elimination reaction, substitution, what type of substitution, nucleophilic substitution, aromatic electrophilic substitution. Again, different types of their nucleophilic, aromatic. All these addition of halogens, addition of hydrogen halides, addition of water. So many important reactions come and questions start coming from there. So when we write a reaction, we should know what type of reaction we are doing. In order to find, there should be a map in our mind what type of reactions we are doing, students. So we have to learn all these type of, there are rearrangements. Where the rearrangement takes place, again they become important. How the rearrangement products are produced. When some cation, some intermediate is formed, it converts into a more stable intermediate within the reaction. Then you get different type of products. What type of transfers are taking place? Hydride ion transfers, R group transfer, all this we have to learn. So I am expanding your mind that organic chemistry is more than what we are writing here. We have to learn all these things. Learn all these things. Okay, write down now the products. Why we give a simple exercise? Because we will go to higher and higher. What is the A here, student? What type of reaction is this?
Sir, A will be alcoholic KOH.
A is alcoholic KOH. When alcoholic KOH is added, what happens?
This will be dehydrohalogenation.
This is a type of elimination reaction.
Yes, sir.
Minus HBr. Minus HBr. If I add aqueous KOH, then what happens?
Substitution.
What is the reason? The question has been asked, competition between substitution and elimination. You have seen in the books. Substitution versus elimination. You can read more about it. Okay, read. Just to tell you that all this is going to be there. Next, what is B then?
B will be HCl.
B. What is happening here?
It is an addition reaction. Addition.
HCl. Hydrogen halide addition. Then what is C, students?
C will be aqueous KOH.
Okay, that was the reason I asked you this question. See, they have come. In aqueous QH, OH minus is being used. When elimination takes place, alcoholic QH, what happens in the presence of alcohol? This is
In presence of
formed.
alcohol, elimination will take place.
Why? Because the reagent changes. This OH minus is a strong base. And this is a powerful nucleophile. Important point. Student, this is heavy. ये मोटा है. See the difference? How the products change. Why they change? There is a reason for everything. Again, I want to tell you, it is not that just we see from the book and we write. There is a purpose and reason of everything. Conditions should be learned, mechanisms should be learned, all this has to be learned. This is only a beginning. We are giving all this information for you. Then what is your D, student?
Sir, D will be conc H2SO4.
Now only H2SO4 is wrong answer because you have seen this converts into two products. What are the two products? Alcohol, special reaction has been given in the book. You have seen CH3, CH2OH can give two products. What are the two products? With concentrated H2SO4. Can you tell me? Important question. One
Sir, it can either give alkene, that is ethene, or it can either give ether.
Then how will you say that this answer will be wrong?
Sir, it will give ether at a temperature of 413 Kelvin at low temperature, and at higher temperature it will give alkene.
So we have to mention that. As I said, without condition there is no reaction. Why did they give that question? Because he would ask you the condition. Concentrated H2SO4, whatever is the temperature, student, then it will convert into alkene. If temperature is low, then ether is formed. What was the purpose of all this? The reaction looked very simple, but that question is not coming what I have given. Different question is coming in the paper in different form, but made from this reaction itself. They can put that in MCQ form. They can put them in any form, reason assertion or whatever form they like. So that they will be asking something more than that. So the purpose is that whatever reactions are given, we have to learn them in more detail, and complete information should be available before we go to the exam. Especially I am talking of the name reactions. They will learn with full mechanism, because the question will come somewhere in between. It'll take one line, one word from that and form a question. But since if we don't know the simple reaction, what answer we will give? We begin with simple and try to revise and tell you, okay, learn more. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, this session ends here. We will continue more in the next topics. Our purpose is to revise and tell you that we have to study a lot and lot. It is not end, it is a beginning. Questions are not what we are giving. Questions are something deeper than this, only if we understand the reaction. Okay, then I'll see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you, sir.